So why don't we start off with the tuna dip?
Okay.
We just have canned tuna. We're gonna put it in a bowl.
Okay.
Like you can leave a little bit of juice in there because we're not really putting the mayo. So
And how many cans of tuna are you putting in there?
that was 2 small cans of tuna.
Okay.
And we don't need
Okay.
to put like any like lemon juice.
We're
or
gonna
anything
we're
like
gonna put some
that?
ingredients in it.
okay.
So
What's so great about tuna also, it's so inexpensive. So
Yeah.
if you're making a big meal for your family, it's not going to be
It's not going to break the
cost
bank.
prohibitive.
No,
Exactly.
not
And
at
this
all.
is-
And you're literally using the avocado as
As
mayonnaise.
a mayonnaise.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
so. Okay.
No, we love avocados because it's one of those ingredients that you can use really early on when we're introducing solids for baby. It's easy to smash, just kind of like the...
you don't even need a blender.
You
just get
don't need a
fork,
blender
mash
and
it.
you're good to go. I mean, you don't even have to necessarily add as many ingredients to it to have it have a little bit of texture and flavor.
So you can serve it to your baby as is.
Absolutely.
You don't need to mix
Yeah,
it with
It's
anything.
one of actually one of the ingredients that a lot of parents are actually going to and reaching for first in terms of introduction of solids.